Hey guys, I'm Esther from Eslashes, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to wash your lashes for lash extensions. Now there's a couple reasons why you want to make sure you're always washing your lashes, and I promise I'll be super fast about this and we'll get right into it. So number one, you want to make sure that they're clean so that you avoid getting an infection like blepharitis, where you can get swelling of the eye, you can get a bunch of issues like that, you can actually get an infection in the eye. You definitely don't want that. Number two, your lashes actually last longer if you keep them clean. Dirt and oil trapped in between your lashes can cause those extensions to pop off prematurely, so they're actually going to last longer if you wash them on the daily. And then number three is we want to avoid getting lash mites living in our lash line. So that's just as nasty as it sounds. There are little bugs that can live if you don't clean your lashes on your lashes, and they actually feast on the dirt and oil in your lashes, which is so gross. We do not want that. So let's get started with how to clean your lashes. Okay, so here's what you're going to need to wash your lash extensions. So you're going to need a clean towel. So you're going to be dabbing your eyes with that. This is an erase your face one. I really like these because they don't pull or tug at the lashes, so they're really great for dabbing them dry. And then you're going to need a little fan with cool air. If not, no worries, you can just use a blow dryer on the cold setting. You just don't want to put any hot air on your lashes. And then you're going to need a little squirter bottle just so that you can squirt some water on the eye area. You can really get these anywhere, even just from the dollar store. You're going to need a lash safe cleanser. This is my favorite one because it doesn't burn my eyes. I've tested out a lot of different cleansers, and I have honestly super sensitive eyes. They get so annoyed and irritated by almost anything. So this one's really great because it's really good for sensitive eyes and it removes all of the makeup. And then a lash cleaning brush. Doesn't have to be a specific lash cleaning brush like this. It can be a makeup brush that's super clean, that is just has bristles that are just stiff enough so that we can really get in between the lashes and really clean them super well. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is just get my little cloth ready here just to prevent water from getting all over the place, and I'm just going to wet the lashes using my little squirter bottle. And good thing I have my towel here, I took it away, and that's why I always have it there, to just kind of prevent water from getting all over the place. So I've wet my lashes now, and I'm going to grab my Eslashes Gentle Lash Cleanser. I'm going to go ahead and just put 2 pumps, 1 to 2 pumps is good usually, of that Gentle Lash Cleanser right along the lash line, and keep my eye closed. Even though it's really good for sensitive eyes, I still don't want to get it directly in my eye. So keep my eye closed during this process, and then I'm going to use my lash cleansing brush and just start working the cleanser in between those lashes. You do want to be gentle and just work in a downward motion, and you want to get in between all those lashes where the dirt would reside. So I usually do a pretty thorough job here, and then rinsing, which is very important. So I'm going to use that same squirter bottle with my water and just rinse and just pat those dry very gently, again in an upward motion. And you want a towel that's not going to pull or tug at your lashes because you don't want to pull them out prematurely. But as you can see here, a couple of my lashes have actually popped off, which is very normal because our lashes are shedding all the time. But you are hoping to see those ones that pop off actually attach to a natural lash like this one. Then you know your lashes are just shedding. The next thing we want to do is dry them really well with cool air. If you have a little hand fan, great. If not, you can use your hair dryer just on the cool setting. You do not want to use hot air on your lashes, or you could risk losing the curl and straightening them. And then last but not least, now that they are cleaned and dried, we're going to fluff them up with our mascara wand. So I just comb them downwards first with the eye closed, and then I fluff them into place. And sometimes I see a little piece that I don't like exactly where it's situated, and I just use the tip of that mascara wand to put it into place to have it exactly as I want it. So it's as easy as that. Look at all the dirt and makeup I got off there. Now they are squeaky clean. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button.